Hi, welcome back. This next question in our multiplication series goes as follows. If 17 times 18 times 19 equals 5,814, what is 9 times 19 times 34? Okay, so the whole thing here is that we have to find connections between the numbers in the question and the numbers in the clue given to us at the start. So we need to find a link between 17 and any of these, and I think the only one we see, if you can spot it, is 17 and 34. Okay, so we know that 34 is the same as 17 times 2. Alright, 19 appears in both, so we can ignore that for now. And 18 and 9, we know that 18 is double 9, or 9 is half of 18. So we have, there is 18 divided by 2 times 17 times 2 and times 19 as well. Okay, so we've made the link between the clue and the question. And if you can see it now, we don't want to do any big multiplications. Can we make this any simpler? And you may know that if you're timesing 2 and dividing by 2, they cancel each other out. So what we get is exactly the same question as the clue given to us, 17 times 18 times 19. So our answer does not change and remains at 5,814. Okay, have a go at some of the questions below.